How's it going, everyone? Just wanted to show you guys some of the plants that are beginning to flower in preparation for spring. You can see here, this part of the hillside is yellow ice plant. It's that bigger version that propagates pretty crazy. We got some aloes over here. This giant one was an orange aloe. Had tons of flowers at the beginning of winter. Now this yellow one is flowering. You can see here the ice plants are also they've taken over. They're gonna start flowering soon in spring, probably in the next few weeks, and the bees will pollinate them. All the ice plants are pollinated by the bees, and then all these purple flowers over here are Lantanas. Whole hillside, they're mixed up with ice plants. We got purples, whites, pinks. All of those attract butterflies. They're drought tolerant, low maintenance, low water. Same thing with the ice plants, except instead of butterflies you get bees. And we got a little palm. We got a whole bunch of succulents up there that are also drought tolerant native shrubs right there. Let me just show you guys the front though. That's the nice part. Got some white and purple lantana here along the retainer wall. We've let it go over the wall and kind of take over anywhere where the ice plant isn't. Two plants that we're trying to proliferate here is the ice plant and lantanas. You can see here now we start seeing some of the ice plant. It's that pink purplish stuff right there. And we got some white lantana here. It starts mixing in really nice here and starts becoming a really colorful hillside. You can see here purple lantana, gigantic bush. All these were 5 gallons about 2 years ago. Even this yellow one, white one, purple one over there, they were all 5 gallons. They're purchased for I think about 50 to the client. But yeah, these ice plants are doing really well. You see here you got some white lantana, yellow, pink ice plant, yellow ice plant, purple ice plant. Then we got the whites, the purple lantanas. Whole hillside is really looking great. No complaints here. Tons of pollinators, low water, low maintenance. All we do is take away weeds, cut back stuff, and the garden is continuing to look great every week. I like this little cypress there too. It's bushier than the other ones, not so much like a column. But yeah, hope everyone's having a great day. Just wanted to show you guys some of these flowers because they're looking real nice on this hillside.